All right, so Canva's deleted like two of the videos I recorded last night. I went and recorded for 3 hours. I think I got 20 minutes. So I've done a lot of work. Some of the work I've done has been to figure out some of the back end stuff, which I'll get into later. But sorry, I'll have to set up a back end for you. Anyways, so I'm working on a product that let's call it name. The name of the product is Founder PR, or let's PR. Let's do it like that. That'll be fun. Someone's probably already done that. There's no way. Not now, Google. Okay, no one's done it. Wow. Okay, Founder DR is. Okay, Founder PR. The logo can be some kind of cool typography with an icon that is let's do word mark. Mission to help founders do outreach to people to do outreach to public to journalists. Okay. So I kind of vibe code a little bit of this. What's funny is that I actually wrote this Canva part like a week ago when I was trying to record some other videos for this, and it corrupted two videos, and then last night it did two more. So you probably lost about an hour and a half to 2 hours worth of content that I've recorded for this project. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so essentially what I wanted to do is figure out a way to use. I wanted to deploy my first backend, which I figured out how to do last night. Again, sorry you missed it. And I'm using Railway, and which meant I had to go to GitHub, but now it's deployed. So I have it deployed, and I have it connected into. Okay, you got to figure this out, Bolt, or I'm going to find someone who will. And then I want Browserbase to help me. So I'm really trying to learn how some of these tools work. LangChain, deploying a backend server, which is here using Railway. And I want to learn how to use more of like chunking and embedding. I'll tell you about that later. And I also want to learn how to use LangChain. So all these things I want to learn how to use with different projects because I learned how to do 11 Labs, which deals a lot with like voice. Excuse me. I did a lot with voice and AI, and I just want to learn like this right here. Browserbase allows AI to browse the internet for you. I don't even know what I can do with that, but I'm gonna try. So, okay, um, no, that's cool. Yeah, you're having problems, so I'm gonna go ahead. Are you gonna show me that error again? Yeah, I'm gonna use Unravel. I told you I use Unravel for everything. In fact, pretty soon I'm gonna launch the second version of Unravel. Um, and which reminds me, I need to actually start projects to build. It's actually to start on a project. I need to write it down really quickly. So excuse me, sorry. Need to start a Gym Prompt Framework doc for this. Emily. So I had this tool that I built called Emily, which I think is it still up? Right with Emily.com. I might have gotten rid of the domain. Okay, cool. Nope, still got it. It was a tool that I built, and I've built it like 4 different times, just updating the technology behind it. But I think I have a new play on it. I did it for individuals, but I think I can make maybe not an enterprise play, but like a small business play for marketers who don't have a lot of the apparatus in operational budget to do intensive interviews of their team to be able to discover new content. And so what I'm going to do is build a tool that allow them to generate content based on some other things that I'm going to do with voice. Now that I understand voice and AI probably better than a lot of people, I think I can build it. Is an old project that I built to help people write blog posts based off of recordings. This is before OpenAI even had GPT-3. I used to use Otter, and I would take Otter transcriptions. I'd put it through Zapier to create, or you record a conversation, it would automatically send to Otter. Otter would transcribe the audio, then it would send it to Dropbox. Dropbox would take the audio, then send it to Google or create a document, then send it to Google Drive. And then Google Drive is where we would have human editors that would edit the content. But the transcription and the turning it into something else was totally manual. Now we have AI that can do all of that. So we're gonna, and then we have Bolt, which will help me build it. And our deep Zapier interface. See, it wasn't fast enough. That was a problem. I couldn't like automate it where I had a full-time team of writers to help turn people's audio recordings into content. And then ChatGPT came around. I was able to build a bot in Zapier. And then I figured out Twilio. So if you're wondering how I learned Twilio, it was actually by doing Emily like 2 years ago. And I figured out how to do text messaging with Twilio. And so when I use for 11 Labs and Reference One, when I use Twilio, it is because of the work that I did for Emily a couple of years ago. And a lot of these things really do compound. You learn one product, and then you actually start to figure out ways to pull it into different places. Unravel. Unravel is a tool that I built, but now I'm learning how to build it even more. Let's go ahead and download. I'm going to download this code base. Watch, I'm download this code base, which I did. Put it in Unravel. Like, I'm not even going to use up tokens to fight with this. Like, I even added this to Unravel recently, so you could see how many words and how long the download would take. Let's see, it's already 116 pages. Founder PR code base 325.24. I wish it showed, but it doesn't. Okay. Is it? Here's the code base. Can you tell me how to fix an error I'm getting? Cheat code. This helps me save so many tokens in Bolt. I just take the Wish it gave me the error. I wish it gave me there was an error that was in red. Come on. It's making this error. Come on. All right. Essentially, I just uploaded my code base, which is 119 pages right now. It can get way bigger, like 781 pages. It's crazy. And I'm analyzing it so I can see what the problem is. Now I'm going to take whatever it says and I'm going to plug it into Bolt and say, hey, this is what ChatGPT says. What can you do about it? And then usually I can just go back and forth and it'll essentially save me the tokens from using Bolt. I wouldn't use O3 Mini High every time. This is what ChatGPT said might fix this error. Now let it work with that, and then I'll come back over here. So that's the premise of Unravel, which is great. And then eventually we're going to do this. This is going to be fun. I'm going to build a CTO in your pocket. Kind of already know how I'm going to do it. I just need time. So I'm going to do that much later. Okay, fix it. I hate this icon. Can't wait till I figure out how in the world to update images. It's coming. I'm going to figure it out. Okay. All right. I think what I did is that what? Move the purple dot. Wasting time. Throwing tokens out the window. You know I didn't want that dot there. Now you move this way over here. Terrible. Okay. Okay, I'll sign up for this later. Essentially, what I need to see is if I add an article. So let's do voice AI funding. Let's just go ahead and do news articles here. We're not going to use Reuters. Okay, this is cool. Let's do this. Is there an email? Where's my Supabase? All right, so what should happen? Here, let's check it. real quick. Can you look through the code base and see if there are integrations with browser base and the railway backend server and tell me what it will do? So I just got to remember if I implemented that and how. Oh, I need to take it off O3 mini high. I'm using up stuff I shouldn't. Uh, what would be great is if I didn't have to look up all these people's emails. That's 2 email there, right? Yep. Okay. Like I want Stuart Drudge's thing. All right, how would I do this? Let's do. Let's try and see if I can find him. Let's see if I can get his email real quick. Oops. Sorry, I got a lot of things floating in my head. Gluten is really bad. Music in my eardrums right now. Oh, he's freelance. I'm not surprised, but I really wish I could. You guys have way too many ads. Don't I have an ad blocker on? I'm seeing this. Stuart Dredge, how do I... Okay, what if I did Music Ally? I might do it the other way. I might go... You're almost there. So if I sew people, maybe it'll help me find the guy. It's a lot of work to get this dude's email. But I want to see if browser base is going to work the way that I need it to. All right, where's my man Stu? There we go. Yeah, I'm going to delete it later. I just want to see if I can find an email. Come on, my man. It's not going to find his email. Would have found it by now. I haven't done this in a while. I'm going to find another article. I know I'm running my thing way too hard right now. Okay, music business worldwide. Can I find her? Can I just find her email straight from here? How awesome would that be? Jeez, struggle bus right now. Why'd you reset? Okay, you found Stuart. All right, Stu, my guy. Let's go. Should probably create a form that would make this a lot easier, but I am not going to do that right now. What are you doing? It's like, What's going on? All right, we're gonna do this a little manually. So we're gonna dredge, add that there. Music, ally. I don't know his bio. Don't know why you need his LinkedIn URL, but you know what, bro? I'm gonna give it to you. No, pull back. I might need to automate this part too in a second. All right. I don't know his Twitter handle. I don't care about his location. Okay. All right, Stu. Well, I think I need his ID, don't I? Okay. That. And then, yeah, you'll do that. And then I don't need that. Okay. Yoop. And then Stu. So in reality, I think I want to not do this part. I think what I want, see, and this is how you figure out how to build a product. I think I want to just input this part, and I think I want browser base to pull the audio. So, I think I know exactly how I want to do this. I think I want people to ingest it for me. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to create it so that people can enter in their own information, and then hold on. What's it called? Shoot. Oh, overloop. I need the API. Okay. No. How about this one? First name, job title. No. I need to get a prospect's email, which I'm pretty sure says a user. Retriever prospect. Okay, what I'm trying to do is just find a prospect. Not needing any of that. Okay. I'm just trying to find out where's the thing that allows me to get their email. Okay. Email. They might not be able to do it. Okay. Because I don't want to do this myself. So I might have it so that when people put the email, like people can add a person, which allows them to create the data for me. So I don't have to do this. Please don't be what I was just looking at. Okay. Hunter API. Yeah, we gotta start cooking now. All right. So what I'm looking for is email finder. Okay. Need the domain, company. Hmm. So I wonder if someone can put in a link, and then I would. Okay. I think I can probably figure that out. I think I can have it so that someone puts in a link. Dude, I'm freaking stacking. I'm stacking my costs using too many applications. Okay, I think I can pull this in. So when someone enters a link, um, this is how I figure out how to build products. You're watching this real time. Um, so how can I use OpenAI API to look at a website and then like an article and then pull the journalist name. Oh, what if BrowserBase can do that? Hold on. Hold on. I mean, it's already scraping it. So integration to instead. Okay, so first I need to make in here the only URL as required. Okay, so the only. So I need to update this. In the articles table in Supabase, make it so that the only required field to save a new row is the URL. All right, what I think I want to do is I want to have it so that someone who is logged in will be able to click a button and say, find journalist. And when they say find journalist, it will essentially trigger BrowserBase to go to that link, find the journalist's name, and take the URL and find the publication. And then it will take that information and put it into the Hunter.io API to the domain of the article or domain of the company name, first name of the journalist, last name of the journalist, combine it to be the full name. And and then at that point it will feed into where am I at? It'll feed into the rest of this. So then, see the journalist email. Okay. And this is probably why you would have lane chain. So then you would probably come here first, right? So you put in an article here. It'll browse it. Then you put the journalist here. Then you put the journal. I gotta pause this music. I gotta think. Okay, and then you would so you put the article up here, and then it would come down, and then it would be the journalist. It would pull everything, add it to the journalist, and then oh shoot, yeah, because you're ingesting it here. So you essentially need one step, pull the information, fill out this part. Then once this part is filled out, go back up to the articles. Oh shoot. Come here, fill this out. Keep in mind what the ID is for the article. So you just need the URL. Come down here, fill out the journalist stuff, or find the email if you can find the email. Then once that's done, come back up to that same place because you should remember what the ID of the article is. Then put in the journalist ID, which came from here. And the title of the article, and then that's when you're going to come in publication, the topic, summary, all that stuff, content. Man, that is a lot, but it'll make it so that the users of this platform will essentially crowdsource all of the journalists, and we don't have to crowdsource any. Okay. That's cool. I like that. That's technical. So I'm actually going to stop this video and I'll pick this back up and think through it some more about logistically how it would work. Here's frozen. So I guess I'll talk to you for a little bit longer if that's okay. So this is like the process that I wanted. Oh, here we go. Never mind. See ya.